Hi everyone. So I'm going to start with an programming microcontroller concept with an experimental way. So first of all, simulation of push button and lens interface with ARM controller and Proteus. So how with push button and LED interface is working together, how they are connecting the pins and GPU and many others. So first of all, I going to explain with the theoretical part and then enter into the experimental part. So first of all, aim to interface a digital output LED and digital input to that you have programmed in the STM IDE to ARM development board and chiplet in this model. In the Proteus, it already built a HTML2 and given some devices to LED and registers and then HTML2 and button. So through that, we are already programmed inside that. Okay. So this I tell now, said now. So first of all, enter into the theory. So component request, HTML32 cube, Proteus, H simulated. Theory. The full form of ARM is an advanced reduced instruction set computer IC machine with a 32-bit of the architecture extended by ARM holding. The application of ARM processor includes several microcontrollers as well as processors. The architecture of an ARM processor was licensed by many corporations partitioning ARM processor-based SoC products and CPU. This allowed the corporation to manufacture the products using ARM architecture. Likewise, all main semiconductor companies will make ARM-based SoCs such as Samsung, ATML, TI, etc. So, what is an ARM7 processor? ARM7 processor is commonly used in embedded system applications. Also, it is a balance among classic applications new cortex sequence. This process is tremendous in finding the resource existing on the internet with excellent documentation offered by NXP Semiconductor. It choose completely for an apprentice to obtain in detailed hardware and software implementation. So these are the what are the software is here. This is not necessary, but I'm going to explain then. So procedure. How to start with an HTM processor and then how the buttons and LEDs work. So first, let's open the STM32 Cube IDE. Okay, click on the file means I will open and to HTM Cube IDE. This is my already program in my equipment. So first of all, how to open with an equipment. So go to file, new STM32 project on S16. Inside it, many of you have to give what are the microcontrollers we have to go into use. When I use STM32 400 RB, so I use that. So I given that and then create and find many others. So first enter into the what are the pins are going to give and what are the next pins that you have to give. So first I open that STM32 F101 RBT. So I'm going to give PC13 and PA5. These are the pins. The others are the not necessary. It is in the reset set. Okay, it is not it. In GPU IO input, I'm going to give the input. That means what push button. It is an input. So PA5 GPU IO output. So that is LED blinking light. When you press the button, the LED blinks. So, and go to system code GPIO and then give input as pull up because if you will it is used to pull up. Okay, pull down means it is lowering the input. Okay, pull up means it is increasing the input speed. That is pull up the input node and pull up. Okay, other than and then save it and generate your code. Generate your code. Your code will be generated and all the programs will available. Some of the programs are already here because of they are already given in that. Only some of the few changes that we are going to build because push button and then mm, push button and live base and you have to use it because include set pull the touch. So push button if true that is it linked. If false it's not does not link. That's like you have to give. And white push button I'm going to perform some action. I'm going to create a function to perform the push button with an LED. Okay. Um, these are things it's already built and go to and create a function to white push button. So button head is equal to all GPIO read pin is going to read. Okay, I already given the input for that. Okay, see here, I already given it. It bring in this is input. Okay, I already given. So that's why it's input. So that is you have to state in readability pin. So if button status does not give any low voltage, it does not give to equal to 0. So it will write pin GPIO, GPIA pin 5 and GPIO pin set. Okay, it will set. Here, if it is any changes, any after any input is changes, so I'm going to white pin, you're going to give the values to the software to bring then LED. So GPIO, yeah, GPIO pin 5 and GPIO pin 3 set. And then generate your code. First project, go to property and then build your because we need a head file. Go to shift and setting. These are the things you have to generate it because we need to run it in production. We need that test file. So all the options you have to give and apply and close. That's all. It will apply and close it and run the program. Right? So not run. Give the project build. It will. There is no error. There is no zero one. Okay. And then I already built the text file. So for example, I will see here experimentary got been experiment dot has already I built it. These are the things. So we created a program for that, and we are going to enter into the Proteus. These are the Proteus is used to create a processor. Like in real time, it is very hard to create it. So, and we are already created that having that. So, Proteus is advanced and we can do it in laptop. Okay, but I am going to STM32 F101. I am going to go to KLZP and give the STM32. It so it STM32 401. Wait, give 401 20 RB. So it's showing click it and give OK. And then go and give LED yellow button and 10-volt register. Okay, we need it. So and ground. Ground for the any fire like ground you know. Mm. So I already built in the here the second pin. I build that for button input. These are the in the voltage set. So these are the output set. So in register, you used to modify the voltage. It's helpful that there's not any damage in the LED. Okay, that's why I am giving the register. So So let's start with a program. So run this program and then click this button. The yellow light is blinking. As you see now here, the yellow light because you have programmed in that white push button. So if these are the pins, if you give read pin, this 0 is a setting. So there's no change at all. If any change, so GPIO pin reset is resetting and coming to and set here. So it's blinking. So we have finally built a program for an HTML microcontroller. Actually, I think doctor, but microcontroller can say. Thank you.